Kitiscare was founded in 2017 as a calling of mine. There are 4 branches now in Putrajaya, Setapak, Cheras and Kajang. We cater to pets, mainly stray cats. Our services include early disease detection, prevention, care and surgery. Initially, we struggled with the strong urine smell in our facility. Some pet owners complained too. We tried to install several air purifiers but did not resolve the problem. We need something far more effective. That is why we chose Panasonic ziaino. Finally, the urine smell was gone and the air quality improved tremendously.
It's not easy maintaining cleanliness and hygiene here. Cleaning pets' excrement takes time and effort. It's very stressful trying to get rid of the smell completely. Luckily, we have Panasonic ziaino. The smell does not linger anymore. Less stress for me and the customers. I can finally focus on attending to the cats and dealing with the pet owners.
After installing the Panasonic ziaino, I can feel that the air quality indoors are actually cleaner and also fresher. Other than that, I noticed that the size covered by the Panasonic ziaino is actually very wide compared to previous one. So it's not only good for the overall health and also happiness of the cats. I also seen that the pet lovers and also even our staff seem much happier too.
I come to Kitiscare around 3 to 4 times per month, mainly for routine checkup. But last time, the cat smell was everywhere, even in the waiting area. But now, I notice so much difference. The room smells fresh, no more odor.
I'm here today for weekly treatment. Last time I feel like slightly uncomfortable with cat urine smell. Nowadays, that no longer any smell issue with Panasonic ziaino. I feel much happier to drop my cat by the clinic.
We believe the key is Panasonic ziaino hypochlorous acid, made from naturally derivative salt and water. It's a natural solution for air purification. It's effective in covering a wide area, very ideal for Kitiscare. Now, there are very less respiratory cases among cats. Clients are comfortable and happy. We became more confident. Now our image is more professional. I am very pleased.